Japan is a lovely country. The green mountains, blue sea, dynamic culture and its mouth-watering cuisine, whatever includes to its beauty. If you've taken a trip to Japan or fulfilled Japanese people, something might have crossed your mind: why are Japanese ladies so slim and look so young? It's the food and way of life of Japanese people that keep them healthy and young-looking. For example, Japanese food is based upon the principle of health and durability. In reality, Japan is the home of the world's greatest proportion of individuals who live more than 100 years. In Japan, food is not solely eaten for taste. Japanese individuals believe in extracting health, take advantage of their food. Here are the top 10 reasons that Japanese ladies stay slim and do not look old. 1. Drinking green tea. Japanese people enjoy to drink green tea. The matcha, powdered green tea, is made from the greatest quality leaves, which are dried and crushed into a great powder. This powder is then combined with warm water. This kind of green tea is utilized in the tea ceremony, which is a Japanese cultural activity involving the ritualistic preparation and discussion of matcha. Green tea is not just scrumptious, however likewise extremely advantageous. It is among the healthiest teas worldwide, rich in antioxidants that assist combat totally free radicals and delay the aging procedure. It even aids weight loss. Drinking green tea likewise reduces the threat of heart problem and cancer. According to a 2006 study released in JAMA, grown-ups in Japan who took in higher quantities of green tea had a lower danger of death due to all causes and due to cardiovascular disease. The study likewise says that Japanese residents who consumed 5 cups of green tea per day had 26% lower death rates. 2. Taking in fermented foods. Japanese people often consume fermented foods like kefir, kombucha, sauerkraut, miso, tempeh and kimchi. Fermented foods are those that have been through a process of lactofermentation. In this process, natural germs feed on the sugar and starch in the food and produce lactic acid. Fermentation preserves the natural nutrients in food and develops beneficial enzymes, B vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids and different strains of probiotics. As fermentation promotes friendly digestive germs and breaks down food to a more digestible kind, it aids food digestion, which in turn assists with weight loss too. In addition, it assists expel hazardous toxic substances and heavy metals from cell tissue. A 2014 research study published in the Journal of Physiological Sociology reports there is a connection between fermented dairy items and the growth of beneficial digestive microorganisms. The study likewise noted the importance of findings that non-dairy fermented foods and herbs can have a favorable impact on digestive microbiota, as there might be an influence on longer-term gut-brain interaction. 3. Popularity of seafood. Unlike Americans, Japanese people like to consume seafood rather than red meat, which is connected with many health issues, such as weight problems, high cholesterol and inflammatory illness. Rice or noodles accompanied by various types of seafood prevail meals in Japan. As Japan is surrounded by sea, fish and shellfish like tuna, salmon, mackerel and shrimp are extremely popular in Japanese food. Fish benefits you due to its premium proteins, various vital nutrients and omega-3 fats, which are excellent for the brain, heart and organs. Omega-3 fats, in particular, are valuable in minimizing body fat, specifically stomach fat. Plus, seafood also lowers swelling in the body and advantages the nerve system. Omega-3 fats likewise promote smooth skin. These healthy fats help avoid many skin conditions, such as atopic dermatitis, psoriasis, acne vulgaris, non-melanoma skin cancer and cancer malignancy. The Japanese likewise believe that the much healthier the fish you eat, the much better it is for you. This is why they serve fish in numerous various ways, such as raw, poached, grilled, fried, baked or steamed. 4. Eating smaller-sized portions. Serving small portions is part of Japan's culture. Smaller-sized portion sizes can make you eat less, thus helping you drop weight. Portions likewise look larger on smaller-sized plates, which contribute to less eating. This in turn avoids unintentional overindulging and high-calorie consumption. When it comes to weight management, the smaller portions is most likely more vital than the type of food you consume. A few of the standard structures of Japanese home-cooked food discussion consist of: do not totally fill the plates. Do not serve a huge portion of any product. Fresh is finest. Foods should be garnished and each item on the menu should be arranged properly to showcase its natural beauty. 5. Walking is a routine. In Japan, both males and females stroll a lot. Strolling is a great type of exercise to remain slim and fit. Walking not only assists with weight loss, it also improves cardiovascular health, increases energy and mood, and assists ease stress. Japan's population is greatly concentrated in cities, and many individuals commute by trains. This suggests they require to walk or bicycle to the station and back. Even kids stroll a good part of the method to school, rather of being dropped off by their moms and dads. Apart from walking, usage of bikes is likewise popular. Many individuals ride bikes everywhere, which is another good form of exercise. 6. Eating on the go is a huge no-no. Meal times in Japan are spiritual periods of stimulating your body. For this reason there are no strolling lunches. It is considered rude although acceptable in Japan to eat while you are on the go. Which is why, you will hardly ever see anyone eat on the street or while riding a public transport. In Japan, you do not do anything else while eating. No TV, no work. Cleanliness and discussion of food too, form a vital part of Japanese food eating. They also eat slower, offering their stomach time to procedure food and signal the brain that it is full. Chopsticks actually contribute to impeding the amount and speed at which people eat food. Slower eating indicates your stomach has time to tell you enough, compared to the rapid binge eating of Americans where it's already far too late by the time your stomach signals your brain that it is complete, leading to overindulging. 7. Healthy cooking approaches. Japanese food not just uses healthy components but also healthy cooking approaches. In Japan, raw, simmered and grilled techniques predominate, which help avoid using excess oil. These cooking methods likewise aid in maintaining the taste and nutrients of the ingredients. Deep frying food is rare in Japan. When fried food is served, such as tempura, a few pieces are enjoyed in addition to other meals. In this manner the overall balance of the meal is healthy. 8. Practicing martial arts. There are different kinds of martial arts popular in Japan, and both males and females practice a few of the forms. In truth, Japanese martial arts designs of karate, judo, aikido and others play a key function in enhancing the physical fitness level and total health of Japanese women. A lot of martial arts improve cardiovascular fitness and endurance, assist construct muscle strength and improve muscle versatility. They also aid weight loss and slow the aging process. A 2013 pilot study published in Scientific Medical Insights, Women's Health suggests that martial art exercise improves body composition, prefers bone turnover biomarkers, increasing bone development and decreasing bone resorption, and decreases swelling in obese and premenopausal females. 9. Hot spring baths. A hot spring bath, which is a typical practice in Japan, lengthens life. In the regional language, a warm spring is called onsen. As a volcanically active nation, Japan has thousands of them throughout all its major islands. Warm springs have healing powers and are advantageous for health due to the temperature level of the water together with the mineral material, such as magnesium, calcium, silica, and nicene. When you delight in a bath in a hot spring, your skin soaks in these minerals and your hydrostatic pressure increases. This leads to better blood circulation and oxygen circulation throughout the body. Much better blood and oxygen flow is useful for your heart in addition to other essential organs and tissues. It even aids in minimizing stress and promoting better sleep, which in turn benefits your skin's health. Taking a hot spring bath at least 2 times a month is among the reasons why Japanese women look young and stay slim. 10. Healthy desserts. Desserts are not an important part of Japanese cuisine. Japanese females consume sweets less frequently, and this is one secret regarding why they remain slim. In Japan, individuals choose consuming fresh fruit at the end of their meal instead of sugar-laden desserts. Sugar is one of the main culprits behind the increase of weight problems in the United States. Likewise, Japanese sugary foods have a lot less caramel, fine-tuned flours and all of those other frightfully fattening components commonly used in the United States. Sugary foods are made from healthy components, such as sweet potatoes, buckwheat flour and fresh fruits. Even when Western-style sweet desserts are served, portion sizes are significantly smaller sized. If you think this information could help someone else, please share it on your social media.